It's Saturday morning, 9 a.m. at Home Depot, prime DIY time. Take a look at this. 7, maybe 10 people deep in the self-checkout line, and every single staffed register? Closed. Every single one. This line has completely swallowed the main entrance path. We're backed up all the way into the paint mixing section. The paint department, people. And this gentleman in front of me is navigating a full-size cart with a child seat through a gap that was not designed for this. We're basically doing an obstacle course just to buy some screws. Self-checkout is supposed to make things faster and easier, but when it's the only option on a Saturday morning rush, it just moves the problem onto us, the customers. That's all this is. But I think it says everything. Home Depot. Maybe open a few of those registers? Just a thought.